Leetcode daily challenge 1680 concatenation of consecutive binary numbers. This is a medium problem. The question is asking us to create a very huge number. So how do we create this number? There are gonna be two options for us. The first one is we can add two strings together. That's the first option. The second one is we can add two integer together. The difference between these two is if we go option 1, then we have to turn this number to a integer. But the option for option number 2, we have to turn the string to the integer before we do the addition. So which means the order of we process this number is different. But if we go with option 1, that's gonna be a very huge number. How do we turn it into a say 32 bits integer? That's gonna be a problem. That's why I will go option number 2. So in this way, I'll turn a string into the integer first, then do the addition. But the trick here is, say if we have a 1, if we want to add 1 and 2, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna move this 1 to left for 2 bits, then add the new number into it, make it to a new one. Same thing. Instead of add a number directly, I shift this number to the left or times it with a 2 to the power of n. That's the way we're gonna solve this problem.